Hello, in this video I will be going over standardized work of an operator on injector assembly component machine. I will be going over two sheets. One is the standard task sheet, which is basically a cover page of a task that operator has to perform on this equipment, and TIS's, which is the task instruction sheet, which is the detailed instruction of a job that an operator has to perform. So to begin with, I will go over first the standard task sheet, which is the STS. So you are looking at the standard task sheet. On the top, you see the department number or department name, the available operating time for this job, the STS number, and the operation name, injector assembly. It applies to all shifts, number of pages, and the date that was created. So to begin with, there are 10 steps on this standard task sheet. Task number 1 is load part A to the load conveyor, and this TIS goes along with this task, which is, like I said, is the detailed instruction of this task. The amount of time it takes to complete this task, the frequency of this task. So all these are by shift, and the total time. Task number 2, which I highlighted in yellow, which I will be going over. Task number 3, load part C to station 4 Weibol. This TIS go with this. Load part D to station 4. This TIS go with this. Audit part, this TIS. And basically the next few steps: move full trays to designated buffer location, move empty trays to the unload conveyor, record production counts at the end of the shift and the alarm limits throughout the shift, clean equipment as required, reject handling, this TIS go with this, and fill out the production board. So the next, we will be going over the task instruction sheet. This is the standardized work of an operator. As you can see, the format of this standardized work, we have special symbols here. So if there are some jobs that are critical to safety or to quality, so when you see these symbols next to these instructions, you can apply them accordingly. So this TIS is this 456 LT. The task description is load part to the Weibol, the date it was prepared and prepared by. So the step number 1 is manually load part B lot information. Step number 1, A, when the control panel indicates part B low level, retrieve part B from the designated storage location. Step B, verify the correct part number on the tags. So when you pick up parts, each bag has a lot number associated with it. Sign the line sheet once per shift. So when the operator picks up the parts, they have to verify the correct part number that is on the line sheet. Record required information for each part number, for each part container per lot control form, and this is the form that they have to use. Record all the information from this lot ticket. Why is this important? This is important to maintain lot traceability. Step number 2, manually load part B to the Weibol. So task number 1, open the cover on the feeder, load these parts into the feeder, load manually, load only one bag at a time, do not overfill. As you can see, the picture of the feeder bowl. Close cover on the feeder bowl when you're done putting the parts in the feeder bowl. Place drop parts in the scrap bin, so if you drop any parts, put those in the scrap bin. Why? All drop parts are scrapped for quality reasons. The last step, place empty bag into the designated location. And after you train the employee on the standardized work, you get their signature and the group leader and the quality signature. So this is basically how a task standardized work look like over an operator. This can be used anywhere, even at home if you want to put a job instruction of a how to make coffee. So this is very important to simplify a work and to train employees. Thank you.